Pinky is an online video chat app that connects you with random people from around the world. It's designed for users who want to make new friends, chat instantly, and meet strangers through live video or text conversations. When you open the app, you can quickly start chatting without a complicated setup. The main idea is simple: swipe or connect, and instantly start a conversation with someone new. The app also offers filters like age, gender, and language to help you find people that match your preferences. One of the unique features of Pinky is that it focuses on video interaction. Some versions of the app even require users to upload short videos or use live verification, which is meant to improve authenticity and reduce fake accounts. The app also includes messaging features, friend requests, and global matching, allowing users to connect with people from different countries and cultures. However, there are some important concerns you should know before using it. Many users report that the app pushes in-app purchases very quickly. Features like private chat or advanced filters may require coins, even though the app is advertised as free. Another issue is safety. Like many random video chat apps, you are talking to strangers, which can sometimes lead to inappropriate content or uncomfortable situations. Similar platforms have faced serious safety concerns due to lack of strong moderation. So, is Pinky worth it? If you're looking to meet new people and explore random video chat, it can be fun and easy to use. But you should be careful, avoid sharing personal information, and be aware of in-app purchases. Overall, Pinky is a typical random video chat app with interesting features, but it comes with risks that every user should understand before downloading. Stay safe, and always use apps like this responsibly.